I wanted to touch on people who have this fear of abandonment, right? Of being alone. And some of the most common things that can happen in your life if you do have this fear going on in the background, right? Dictating the actions that you take, the relationships you built. The number one thing I see with people that are struggling with this fear is settling with someone, settling with the first person that they can attract into a relationship, right? And then doing everything and anything to get them to love them so that they don't have to go through the pain and heartbreak of not being with that person anymore, right? As that's going to lead to that fear of abandonment and lead to that fear of being alone. And while they're in that relationship, they're going to do everything in their power to keep it going, whether it's sacrificing their time, their energy, their money, sacrificing their morals, sacrificing who they think they are, and changing into what that person wants or is desiring in their life, right? So that they can keep them by their side. Another one that people do is that they maintain friendships with no intrinsic value with, and that's not to say that every friendship has to benefit you, that it has to be a transactional relationship, right? But there's some friendships we keep simply out of fear of being alone, out of that fear of abandonment, right? And these friendships in reality are nothing more than just surface level talking of habits or hobbies that aren't doing anything for our lives and for what we are wanting to accomplish. So just be very careful of being stuck in these friendships out of that fear of abandonment, out of that fear of being alone. And a lot of the times these are also paired with people pleasing behaviors, right? Where the same thing happens again, where you're going to sacrifice a lot of your time, energy, just to keep that person in this friendship with you. And it is manipulating somebody into being with you, as you're never truly honest with them. You're not showing all of the sides of yourself to them. You're editing what you truly want to say. You're editing your words. So just think about these things if they have been a part of your life, and ask yourself questions, right? Ask yourself deeper questions so that you can get to that fear that may be driving these behaviors in you.